Hi students, in this session let us see the another problem in consignment, that is problem number 4. It is problem number 4. See here, Sudha of Srinagar consigned goods value of rupees 20,000 to Indira. Sudha of Srinagar consigned goods value of rupees 20,000 to Indira. Here Sudha is consigner and Indira is consignee. Sudha is consigner and Indira is consignee. The value of goods 20,000 here. Good. Sudha paid cartage and other expenses. Expenses of consignor. Here the expenses of consignor 1,500. Indira sent an account sales with the following information. That is, first one, half of the goods sold for rupees 15,000. Here, half of the goods sold, remaining of closing stock. Here the consignee sold half of the goods, remaining of is in the hands of consignee. So remaining of is closing stock. Next, Indira incurred expenses rupees 750. This is expenses of consignee. This rupees 750 is expense of consignee. Indira is entitled to receive a commission of 5% on sales. Here the consignor gives commission to consignee, that is 5% on sales. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of Sudha. Okay, now let us prepare the ledgers in the books of Sudha. How to prepare ledgers in the books of Sudha? Look at here. In the books of Sudha. Ledger accounts in the books of Sudha. You are required to prepare here consignment account and consignee Indira account, and also prepare goods sent on consignment account. First one, consignment account. Consignment account. Debit, credit, particulars, amount, Here in the debit side of consignment, all the expenses are shown, and credit side of consignment account, all the income or revenue are shown here. Okay, first of all, Sudha of Srinagar consigned goods value of 20,000 to Indira. Here Sudha purchased goods for consignment. So it is an expenditure. So it is debited in consignment account to goods sent on consignment. It is writes in goods sent on consignment. Consignment account. It is rupees 20,000. Okay, next. Sudha paid cartage and other expenses. Here, this amount is the expenditure of consignor. So this is also debit in consignment account to, it writes in to bank account. In brackets, expenses, expenditure. Rupees 1,500. Indira sent an account sales with the following. Half of the goods sold for rupees 15,000. Here the consignee goods sold for rupees 15,000. But half of the goods sold, remaining of closing stock, by consignee Indira account. Bracket sales. Sales is a revenue, so it is shown in the credit side of consignment account. rupees 15,000. Next, Indira incurred expenses rupees 750. Here the consignee expenses 750. It is also debited in consignment account to Indira account. Indira account in bracket expenses rupees 750. Indira is entitled to receive a commission at 5% on sales. The commission paid consignor to consignee. So it is an expenditure. It is also an expenditure. Indira bracket commission. 5% on sales. 15,000 into 5 by 100. That is 750 rupees. Now, before calculation of closing stock, here half of the goods sold, remaining of closing stock. Before calculation of closing stock, the difference between recurring and non-recurring expenses. You know the difference between recurring and non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses. These expenses are incurred in transit. These expenses are incurred in transit. For example, non-recurring expenses, freight, insurance in transit, duty of freight. These are the non-recurring expenses. These are the non-recurring. The expenses are paid in the time of transit. In the time of transit. These expenses are needed to consider closing stock, valuation of closing stock. Now, the recurring expenses. Recurring expenses. These expenses are incurred before or after transit. These expenses are incurred before or after transit. For example, rent of showroom or warehouse, rent of showroom or warehouse and advertisement. These expenses are repeated again and again in the time of before or after transit. These are the recurring expenses. These are not needed to consider in the time of closing stock, in the time of valuation of closing stock. These expenses are needed to consider in the time of closing stock. The expenses are needed to consider for the valuation of closing stock. These expenses are not required. These expenses are not required. Now see how to calculate closing stock. How to calculate closing stock. Working notes. Working notes. Calculation of closing stock. Calculation of closing stock. Calculation of closing stock. Half of the goods sold, half of the goods consigned, the amount of half of the goods consigned, that is 15, that is Sudha of Srinagar consigned goods value 20,000. 20,000 into 1 by 2. Half of the goods consigned, remaining of 10,000. Cost of the remaining stock, unsold stock 10,000, and non-recurring expenses of consignor. Non-recurring expenses of consignor. Here, Sudha paid cartage and other expenses. The expenses of consignor are 1,500. So 1,500 into 1 by 2 above the goods sold. So part of the expenses, that is off in consignor expenses, 1500 into 1 by 2, 750, and non-recurring expenses of consignee. Indira incurred expenses. Here in this sum, they give only expense. She paid some expenses, but this is recurring or not recurring, or not shown in this sum. So non-recurring expenses of consignee nil, 10,750. This is the closing stock, value of closing stock after preparation of consignment. Closing stock. In consignment account, the stock on consignment is shown on the credit side of the consignment account by consignment stock account. By consignment stock account or closing stock, 10,750. That is 10,750. Now, the total of debit side, the total of credit side is bigger than the debit side. So total 25,750. Here also 25,750. The difference 25,750 minus 23,000, that is 2,750. This is the profit and loss account, bracket profit. Profit is transferred to profit and loss account. Now Sudha's consignment account, Sudha got a profit of rupees 2,750. After preparation of consignment account, now you are prepared consignee account, Indira account. Indira account. Debit, credit, particular amount. It is easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. Now you are required to prepare Indira account. If Indira is in debit side of consignment, it is transferred to credit side of Indira account. Whether it is in debit side, it is transferred to credit side. Whether it is in credit side, it is transferred to debit side of Indira account. Now Indira is appear in the debit side. Here expenditure 750 and also commission 750. These two amounts are transferred to Indira account on credit side by consignment account. Rupees 750 bracket expenses, and also by consignment account bracket commission. This is also 750. Here, look at here. Here, Indira appears in the credit side of consignment account. Now it is transferred to debit side of Indira account, to consignment account. And bracket sales rupees 15,000. Here any advance is, no advance is there. So Here the total 15,000. Debit side amount is bigger than the credit side amount. So the total 15,000 minus 1,500, 13,500 by bank. Balancing figure. This is balancing figure. This amount is due from Indira to Sudha. This amount is balanced from due from Indira to Sudha. After preparation of Indira account, finally you are prepared goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. Debit, credit, particular amount. It is also easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. Here goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account is appear in the debit side of consignment account. So it is transferred to credit side of goods sent on consignment account by consignment account. Consignment account 20,000 rupees. 20,000 difference 20,000. This amount transferred to trading account. Now close the consignment account. Here you are prepared consignment account and consignee Indira account, and also prepare goods sent on consignment account, and also calculate closing stock, here. Okay. Now let us see the another problem in consignment, that is problem number 5. Sai and Co of Chennai consigned 100 radios to Deepti. Sai and Co of Chennai consigned 100 radios. Number of radios 100 radios to Deepti. Here Sai and Co consignor. Here Sai and Co consignor, and consignee is Deepti and Co. Deepti and Co is consignee. The cost of each radio was rupees 500. Number of radios 100. Each one rupees 500. Sai and Co paid insurance 500, freight 800. Here the expenditure of consignor 500 plus 800, 1,300. Account sales was received from Deepti and Co, showing the sale of 80. Total number of radios 100. Here Deepti sold 80 radios, each at rupees 600. Here total number of radios 100. Here the consignee sold 80 radios, remaining 20 closing stock. Of each one at 600, the following expenses was deducted by them. Carriage 20 rupees, selling expenses 130. Here the consignee expenditure is 20 plus 130, 150. Total of consignee expenses 150. Commission 2,400. Consignee commission 2,400. Prepare important ledger accounts in the books of Sai and Co. Now you are required to prepare the following accounts, that is in the books of ledger accounts, in the books of Sai and Co. First one, consignment account. Before preparation of consignment account, you are required to calculate the value of closing stock. Working notes. Calculation of closing stock. Calculation of closing stock or unsold stock. Closing stock or unsold stock. Here, the cost of goods unsold. The cost of goods unsold. That is number of radios, total number of radios, consignor sent to consignee. Radios 100. Here consignee sold 80, 20 remaining. This is closing stock. Number of radios 20. The value of the cost of 20 radios, that is 20 into consigned 100 radios to Deepti & Co of Hyderabad. The cost of each radio was rupees 500. 20 into 500, that is 10,000. Add expenses of add non-recurring expenses of consignor, this Sai & Co. Consignor, that is Sai & Co. Here the total expenditure of consignor 500, insurance and freight. These two are non-recurring expenses. So it is considered in the value of closing stock. 1,300, that is 500 insurance plus 800 freight. 1,300 into number of radios remaining 20 by total number of radios 100. This is the part of the expenditure of consignor. 1,300 into 20 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. 130. 130 into 2, 260. Rupees 260. Add non-recurring expenses of consignee, Deepti & Co. Deepti & Co. That is carriage 20 rupees, selling expense 130. Here the carriage is non-recurring expenditure and selling expenses is recurring expense. So this is the considered in the valuation of closing stock, that is carriage. Carriage 20 rupees. 20 into remaining radios 20 by total radius 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 into 2, 4. 4 rupees. The total value of closing stock 10,264. Closing stock. This is the value of closing stock. Yeah. Now see the consignment account. In consignment account, debit, credit, particulars, amount, particular amount. In consignment account, debits, all the expenses are debited in consignment account and revenue or income credited in consignment account. So first of all, Sai and Co. Chennai consigned 100 radios to Deepti and Co. Sai and Co. purchased these radios for consignment. So this is the expenditure. So this expenditure is debited to consignment account, to goods sent on consignment. Goods sent on consignment account. Consignment account, that is 100 radios into each one 500. That is 50,000. 100 into 500, 50,000. Next, the cost of each radio is 500. Sai and Co. paid insurance and freight. Expenditure of consign are 500 plus 800. That is 1,300. To bank account, expenses of consign are 500 plus 800, that is 1,300. Next, account sales was received from Deepti and Co. showing the sale of 80 radios. Total number of radios 100. Here the sale 80 radios at 600 each. This is the revenue by Sai and Co. Sai and Co. brackets sales. That is 80 into 600. Sold by 80 radios, each one at 600. That is 48,000. 48,000. Next, the following expenses were deducted by them. Carriage rupees 20 and selling expenses 130. These are the expenses of consignee. The expenses are debited in consignment account to Sai and Co. Expenses 20 plus 130, 150. 150. Next one, commission rupees 2,400. Here the commission paid to consignee by the consignor. Consignor paid commission to consignee. This is also an expenditure to Sai and Co. Commission rupees 2,400. Now, in credit side, the valuation of closing stock 10,264. The closing stock is credited to consignment account by closing stock. Closing stock or consignment stock account. Consignment stock account, that is 10,264. Now, the total amount is, the credit amount is bigger than the debit amount. So the total 58,264 in credit side. 58,264. So here the difference between 58,000 and 264, 58,264 minus 53. Here the total 58,264 minus 53,850. 3,850. Now the difference 4, 1, 4,414. 4,414. 4, 1, 12. 4, 4. 4,414. 14. This is the profit of consignment. To this amount transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Bracket profit. Bracket profit. Now the profit in consignment account 4,414. Okay. After preparation of consignment account, you are required to prepare consignee account. Who is the consignor? Deepti and Co account. Deepti and Co account. Debit, credit, particulars amount, Deepti account. It is easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. If Deepti is appear in debit side of consignment, this is transferred to credit side of Deepti account. If Deepti is appear in oh sorry, look at this. Here the consignee Deepti. So here Deepti account. Should write Deepti account. Here also Deepti account. Here also Deepti account. Now you are required to prepare Deepti account. If Deepti is appear in debit side of consignment, it is transferred to credit side of Deepti account. Here Deepti expenditure 150 and Deepti commission 2,400. Here Deepti is the consignee. So you are required to prepare consignee account. Deepti. By consignment account. That is Deepti expenses 150 in bracket expenses 150 and by consignment account that is commission rupees 2,400 Deepti appears in the credit side of consignment account. Now it is transferred to debit side of Deepti account to consignment account. That is sales bracket sales 48,000. If any advance is there, that is transferred to credit side of Deepti account. Here no advance is there. So that debit side amount is bigger than the credit side amount. So the total is 48,000. 48,000 minus 2,550. 48,000 minus 2,550. 2,550. 45,450. The difference 45,450 by bank account. 45,450. This amount is due from Deepti to Sai and Co. After preparation of After preparation of consignee account, 48,000. Now you are required to prepare goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. Debit, credit, particulars amount, particulars amount, particulars amount, particulars amount. Here the goods sent on consignment account is appear in the debit side of consignment account, so it is transferred to credit side of goods sent on consignment account, that is by consignment account. Consignment account 50,000. 50,000. 50,000. Here 50,000. It's transferred to trading account. The amount is transferred to trading account. This is the process of ledger accounts in the books of Sai and Co. That is consignment account, Deepti account, goods sent on consignment account, and calculation of closing stock.